Good morning. We are here to have a discussion on the topic impact of artificial intelligence on society. These days, AI is integrated in almost everything in every sectors like medical, e-commerce, everywhere. So I think it is having a great impact. Can you suggest any examples?
I feel AI is actually helping us with everything because it's fast driven and it is automated everything. It is making us learn each and everything easily.
AI is very inbuilt, built with the inbuilt library. So, e-commerce website will use AI so to track the order details and the product, so the order can easily reach to the customers.
Through AI, most of the people are completing their works on their daily routines and completing their tasks within a fraction of seconds. So using AI, they are consisting of less time. So it may get more active than the other regions.
Thank you.
Yes, we are using AI for daily activities, but it has its own positives and negatives. As AI creates job creation in IT and tech field, it affects the jobs.
Using AI, we can use automated to increase. I think so.
But using AI, developers can also include that code, using ChatGPT, they can include their code into a source code so that the efficient work will be done. So it is helping the companies and developers also.
That is a positive sign, but unemployment will also become an issue if everything is AI driven. Every tool and everything should be automated by AI.
There is lot of people are having employment after AI. Most of the recent period is working right now. So what do you think about it?
Exactly, as we have seen, we have got automated cars which will take away the jobs of drivers. We have seen robots. Elon Musk have recently shown that he has made his robots. So if they come into action, there will be no household worker. There will be nobody. So all their jobs will be labor's jobs will be taken off.
Yes, I agree.
So I think it has its own cons.
And also using AI like robotics can do operations to the patients. I think.
It can be the point that you've mentioned can be riskful. As a human, we can understand the pressures, we can take the pressures, but robots and AI might not know how to react in particular situations. So it may cause harm in the medical sector, I guess, according to me. What do you guys think?
Yes, nowadays we are fully dependent on AI, even for small things. I think it reduces our creativity, and we are lacking our creativity, so it will affect our.
I agree with you. Students are using chat GPTs and others.
Yes.
They're
Our
not
creative
using.
skills are being down.
They yes, I agree with you.
Recently, I have heard about the scenario we all use Alexa, right?
Yes.
So Alexa is also an AI machine. Alexa will be in our home. If any of secrets in our home, that will be listened by the AI, so it can misuse in any way. So there is a
End-to-end encryption might not be possible in AI. I agree
yes.
with you. One more problem with AI, I guess, is we need to keep updating it with data, or else it might not always show the right results or right output to
Exactly,
us.
and we may think because it's AI, it may give
It
us
may
the
be
correct
correct
answer.
answer, yes.
It may be wrong, it may be right.
Right.
We will even know about it.
Yes. Any other benefits that you think that we have to mention?
Climate changes, and it can help the economic, calculating the GDPs and all stock exchanges and all, etc. So using AI, we can increase the economic status, and we can collaboratively communicate with other also. So we can increase our communication skills using AI, and all other mock interviews using AI, and also.
Depending on AI, there are equal chances of priority. So not completely dependent on AI. So in my perspective.
Yes, AI is also helpful in medical sector, like personalizing treatment plans and also useful in disease diagnosis. So it will be helpful.
I think using AI up to a certain limit is great, but not in every
Okay,
aspect
yes, I
because
agree.
it may harm us or it may not even help us correctly.
So let me give an example using in a health condition, like hospital. So I have an eye surgery, right? So laser surgery I have done through right eye. That laser was pointed to my default area, so that the AI used algorithms. So the AI used algorithms so that it correctly point to the default area, and uh, flash the laser so that no other nerves and all other parts can be affected. So that using AI is much important and effective work in health conditions also.
Might work, might, and even while designing AIs, the person that designing it will be with one mind, and the users will be on answer. So while preparing AI, I think it is better to keep every aspect, every such aspects in mind, and create a useful AI.
One thing to remember, the AI is also developed by a human brain, right?
Yes, exactly.
Human intelligence is always greater than artificial intelligence.
I completely agree with you. So we would like to conclude our discussion here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Here we have a group discussion on the topic of the impact of the artificial intelligence. In my perspective, artificial intelligence creates a major role on the student's life or an education purpose or in workplace also, because artificial increases the technology and impacts of the students' life, because it helps to the students to reduce the stress level and it decreases the human thinking logicals. What is your perspective, President?
Yes, Pallavi, I am accepting with your words. AI is the main dominating and current trends in society. It will reduces the human work and it will use the automations to the develop in infrastructure and development purpose. And it gives the one of the most impact on society nowadays. Yes, Pallavi, but we can depend on we can we can't depend more on the artificial. It's a machine. It's programmed by the developers. It maybe have bugs or any errors. So because of those errors, they can be in misuse of the AI.
Nowadays, we are using doubt in anything. We are using AI to see it, and it helps, but it has negative sides and positive sides. Like people are more depending on artificial intelligence. They are reducing their critical thinking.
Yeah, artificial intelligence increases productivity, efficiency, but it also damages the human's thinking power. And if AI can replace the humans, that can affect only our humans only. Uh, so I think AI should be reduces in our daily life.
Yes, exactly. It replaces human jobs also.
Yes, I agree with your point, because nowadays everyone are using these type of activities. So humans are very much interested in using social media or these like chat GPTs, AI, these type of tools. So this may reduces the thinking of the logicals or reasoning. These type of activities are reduces in the human brains. So this may leads to our thinking levels.
Spalvi, you're absolutely correct. I think artificial intelligence is available to us in 24 hours also, and it can yes.
That's exactly. AI can impact on people to reduce technical skills and also lost jobs. Lost jobs.
AI affects positively and negatively. If we use correctly, then it will be useful. But we are not too dependent on AI. We have to use why.
Everyone can defend their health issues also. It may leads to affect his health issues. AI is a best tool to students or education purpose or in a job society. So we are conclude that this may leads to our health issues, or it helps in our education purpose or job purpose. So use in a efficient way. Don't misuse these type of tools. Thank you.
Thank you. మేము మళ్ళీ చెప్తాం